Hello guys, this is Vysh. So today is May 29, Monday, and the prelims 2023 is over on May 28. So today is the first day for, you can tell, 2024 aspirants to start your studies from scratch. Okay, so history is what we discuss on Monday. If you are new to Vysh IAS, you should know that we do daily 5 MCQs, and from all these, lot of questions have come in yesterday's prelims also. So we'll show that in the upcoming days. More and more videos will come where we show how many questions were solvable directly from our MCQ, not like any notes or any bulk materials. Whatever MCQs we taught you from their direct questions and directly solvable, we'll show you. Okay, so please follow every day. Our teachers are teaching subjects. And for 2024 and 25, I'll design a 1 year and 2 year strategy and upload it within 1 week time. Okay, so till then keep contacting me in WhatsApp or Instagram and all, and I'll give you free foundation to begin with. Okay, and then there are many important things about these clickbait YouTube channels and the fake coaching classes which are there on the market. So about that I have told a video today. Please see this video, then you will understand which way to go. Okay, else if you choose a wrong path now in the starting, your entire 1 year will get spoiled. Okay, so please watch these two videos. It's uploaded in the last 24 hours, both of them. So please watch them. And unlimited lectures are there. First just hit the subscribe and bell icon, and then WhatsApp me. Okay, then I'll guide you from scratch how to start. Even if you know nothing about UPSC, I will take care of your preparation. Okay, all the chapters, all the textbooks are done for free on our channel. One by one it is being done, and May 26th is the prelims date for 2024 aspirant. Okay, next year May 26. So first question for history: Turkish rulers were interested in capturing Gujarat and Malwa. How many of the below statements are the right reasons for the same? Okay, meaning why did they want to capture Gujarat and Malwa? Fertile area and populous area, control of western seaports, control of trade routes from the west to the Ganga Valley, accumulated wealth in those areas. Okay, so how many of the below statements are the right reasons for the same? Only one, only two, only three, or all four? So this is the latest UPSC style of asking question. So we'll also see to it that we teach you all these types of questions and make you comfortable with this. Okay, because next year I want all the students to pass the prelims, because content anyway Vysh IAS will teach you. There is no doubt in that. You CSAT and GS both, everything will be there, content. Whatever UPSC asks, we would have taught you. But just to avoid that shock, we will make you comfortable with these kind of questions. So here everything is taken from this Satish Chandra textbook only, direct. So all four, okay, all four of them are correct. Chapter 7 of Satish Chandra. Okay, it is answer D actually here. Okay, so imports flowed in from Arab, Iraq, etc. to western ports, controlled from Gujarat and Malwa, huge accumulated wealth, need for imported horses, etc. eyed by the Turkish rulers. In 1299, Alauddin Khilji attacked and sacked Gujarat, Somnath, etc. Even Malik Kafur was captured from him and presented to Alauddin. Okay, Malik Kafur and Alauddin, even the movie came, the Padmavat movie and all. So the history of it, okay, it's written in Satish Chandra textbook very clearly. You don't have to read any complicated sources for that. Question number 2. Which popular poet accompanied Alauddin Khilji in his expedition to Ranthambore? Okay, which poet? Ibn Battuta, Al-Biruni, Amir Khusro, or Al-Badawi? All these four are important. Their timeline, their origin, which kings they were associated with. If you don't know all these things, that means the preparation is wrong. Okay, so what exactly to study in each thing, I teach you. It's not like giving you question, answer, and answer key. Okay, so when you make notes, you have to have a table, you have to have a column where you list down all the poets, you list down all the, not only this Muslim kingdoms and slave dynasty and that Delhi sultanates, also the earlier Hindu kingdoms, or maybe the South Indian kingdoms, Vijayanagara dynasty, Mughal Empire. Okay, wherever there are poets or any court, very important person in their court, like Navratnas are there for Akbar, or the Ashtadigaja is there for, I think, Krishnadevaraya, and like that everyone has, okay, 7 or 8, 9, 10 people will be there who are important. You have to know the names of them. Okay, Chandragupta too had 9 people, including Kalidasa and all. So that you have to know. So here answer Amir Khusro. Okay, so complete Amir Khusro's story is written here, 1253 to 1325. He was a Sufi mystic and spiritual disciple of this Sufi Nizamuddin Aulia. Okay, so where he is born, modern Uttar Pradesh, lived for 72 years, and he is called this, see, he was in the court of as many as 10 different rulers. That is why he is the most important poet when you consider timeline. Okay, so whatever GK UPSC could possibly ask is there listed here itself. So in future, maybe next year or the year after that, if UPSC asks, this topic is already covered in detail. And like this, hundreds of pages of MCQ plus answers is there in our test series packages. Okay, so if you are a very serious aspirant and if you feel Vysh IAS is teaching the right way, you can WhatsApp me, the number is given, and you can enroll to the package. Okay, with timetable, 1 year strategy, I'll be designing packages and will be announcing this week itself. So whoever early comes, they'll get some discounts, installment options, and such things will be there. Okay, the videos are all free, whatever we put out here, but the materials, because it takes effort and it's like a disciplined scheduled way I have to give you, I need we charge for that. Okay, that is the reason if you ask why there is a paid package. So consider the below pairs of authors and their work. Okay, Padmavat Malik Muhammad Jaisi, Gora Badal Padmini Chaupai Hemratan, Khazain Ulfato Amir Khusro. So 3 authors and 3 of their works. Okay, it can be like a novel or a fiction or whatever you want to consider it. 3 things are given and it's all there in your Satish Chandra textbook. So how many pairs are matched correctly? Okay, only 1 pair, only 2 pair, all the 3 pairs, or none of them. So this kind of questions you will see in the upcoming years, and already Malik Muhammad Jaisi and all is asked in the past by UPSC. So our questions will be all based on syllabus, previous year papers, standard textbooks, NCRTs and newspapers. These are the only sources I refer. That is why you can 100% trust in what I provide to you. Okay, and every MCQ is designed by me myself, not like a 10-member team is doing or something. I myself design each and every MCQ which we do, and it will be of this kind of quality. Okay, so here, how many pairs? C, all the 3 pairs. Okay, this is directly given in Satish Chandra in various chapters. You can go and read it. Question number 4. Out of the 16 Mahajanapadas in ancient India, 2 are currently in Pakistan land. Okay, you know, many Mahajanapadas were there, meaning various kingdoms, group of people used to rule them. So there, one is Gandhara and the other one is, meaning after the border, India-Pakistan border was done, 2 of them is in the other side of Indian border. Okay, so one of them is Gandhara. Okay, but what is the other one? Kamboja, Matsyasurasena, Asmaka, Chedi. Okay, these are all Mahajanapadas only out of the 16. So 5 of them are listed here. One is Gandhara and 4 of them are in the option. In this, 3 of them are in India and 1 is in Pakistan right now. So which is that one which is in Pakistan? Answer is Kamboja. So if you want to see the map, Kamboja is here and Gandhara is here. The remaining, if you see this Kuru, Malla, Kosala, Kashi, Videha, Anga, Magadha, Vatsa, Chedi, Avanti, Matsya, Matsya Surasena. Okay, it's actually 2 different things. And Asmaka. Okay, here actually 5 options should be there. These are 2 different places. Okay, Matsya and Surasena. Maybe copy paste error. So Kamboja is the one which is in Pakistan right now, along with Gandhara. Question number 5. Which are the following are true about the Pala kingdom? Okay, Pala in the eastern side of India. So Sulaiman, who visited India, wrote that Pala kingdom, Ruhma or Dharma, short for Dharmapala, had wars with neighbors Pratiharas and Rashtrakutas. Okay, so 3 kingdoms they are asking. Palas, Pratihara, Rashtrakutas. They were fighting wars with each other. Dharmapala is said to have revived Nalanda University. He also founded the Vikramshila University. The noted Buddhist scholars Santarakshita and Dipankara, called Atisa, were invited to Sri Lanka and they introduced a new form of Buddhism there. Okay, so 3 statements with respect to Pala timeline is given. Options 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 only, 2, 3 only, 2 only. So this is the old UPSC style of asking question where even elimination is possible if you know any one statement. Okay. So such questions will return. Surely UPSC will not continue like every year they are going to ask 1 pair, 2 pair alone. Okay, like 2023. All the 100 questions were 0 elimination. You need to know every statement. But 2024, I'm surely telling there will be some questions in this model where you can eliminate. Okay. So here, which one will you eliminate? The third one can be eliminated because they were not invited to Sri Lanka. That's actually during Ashoka's time. Some people were sent to there and then spreading Buddhism and all. In Pala's time, these people were actually invited to Tibet. Okay, so statement 3, if you eliminate, you will be left with 1, 2 only and 2 only. And the answer will become 1, 2 only because statement 1 is also true. They 3 kingdoms were fighting with each other. And if you see the detailing, okay, noted Buddhist scholars were invited to Tibet where they introduced new Buddhism. Then Sulaiman was 9th century Muslim merchant and came from modern day Iran. Like this, as I told in the first question, you have to have a table where all the travelers, the poets, their origin, all these things you have to mention. Okay, so Pala dynasty is like a descendant of Surya Kula and descendants of Bhadra dynasty. So like that, whatever is their history, what is their land division, all these things are important. Land division is one favorite topic of UPSC. About Mughals, they have asked at least 2-3 times. Then they were like, if you see contemporary with Rashtrakutas, if you see in 2022 prelims, they asked the timeline of Hoysala dynasty, Yadava dynasty and all. So like that, they will ask about the timeline of Pala dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty in the future. So you should know. Simply, if you read chapter wise in the Satish Chandra and all, you will correctly know the timeline, because it is given timeline order only. The kingdoms year after year, that's how they have designed the chapters. So you will be able to know. Okay, see, part of modern Nepal was brought under Pala dominion. So that and all of UPSC asks, it is a true statement. Okay, so again, wait for the batches if you are interested to learn from my test series. Else you can continue to watch the plums. Every day 9 p.m. plums will come. But today for sure, please watch these 2 episodes. Okay, it will change the way you think and prepare for UPSC. Okay, don't join Vysh IAS, don't join any institute. You can sit and study at home. It's all your choice. But please understand this exam with these 2 videos. It will change your life, I guarantee. Okay, so I'll wind up. Tomorrow we'll come up with the next video with 5 MCQs, and stay tuned.